start saying, well, these human lives are important because they're born, but these human lives are not important because they're not born. I mean, that's exactly what eugenics was. Just rationalizing what humans were important and what humans were not important. So I had a friend confront me because I've been talking a lot about this. There was a Harvard study that the findings were, the summary was that humans in the womb have just as many constitutional rights as humans outside of the womb. And this is very important because this is what it all comes down to. Are unborn humans human life? And do they deserve constitutional rights and protections? And if so, then if we can call the murdering, the killing of unborn babies abortion, and that's just okay because it's abortion and not murder, well, what makes that different? If they're humans with every constitutional right that I have or you have in the United States or in other countries, then what is different between a pre-birth abortion and an after-birth abortion? I mean, you might as well just call murder abortion. Because, say your neighbor's annoying and you want to off him and you just call it abortion, and that, terminology makes it okay, well then, we have no regard for human life at that point. And so, not only is AI sort of a threat, it will be more of a threat. And then, if we look at time more linearly, like in, the future is only based on distance, but it's, currently happening. Like it's, in effect, what we do now will affect our future. It's linear. It is like, it is a threat. AI is a threat to humanity. We can't look at it any other way. But in that same regard, we are a threat to humanity when we can negotiate what a quality life is, or what a life worth preserving is versus a life that is not worth preserving, And so someone was telling me that, you're not pro-choice because you believe in mandating women to have their babies and, that you want laws against abortion. I have never said that I've wanted laws against abortion. Never. In fact, I even believe in some forms of abortion. I've always supported the Plan B and estrogen shots. That just puts the responsibility on a quicker timeline. Like you've got 3 or 4 days tops to decide. You can't wait till the 8th month or the 5th month or the 3rd month. You have to decide quickly. Do I want this baby or do I not? It's all about responsibility. You look at places, like Asia. There's very few single parents in Asia, in Japan. I'm in Japan right now. Because they require their people, as a cultural expectation, not even as a legal expectation, but as a cultural expectation, they require their people to be responsible. Now, they do have a lot of abortions here, but they have very few single parents.